Dear students, today we are going to study active voice and passive voice. You know very well that in active sentences, subject matters a lot. It means subject remains dominant. While in passive voice, an object remains dominant. Okay, so today we are going to study simple present tense, and which is also known as present indefinite tense. Dear students, the voice, here we are going to have active voice and passive voice. Present indefinite tense, which is also known as simple present tense. Dear students, rules for passive voice. First of all, affirmative. In affirmative sentence, subject which is from object, then is MR according to the number of subject. After that, third form of the main verb. This third form is also known as past participle. Then preposition. Preposition means by, especially by is to be used in all passive voice, but according to sense, in, at, to, with, etc. Also can be used. Then object which is made from subject. Example number 1, Ravi writes an article. This is an active voice. An article is written by Ravi. This is passive voice. Rule number 2, negative. Dear students, in negative sentence, all the rules remain as it is except adverb not or never. So according to sense of negation, we can use not or never. So subject, then according to number of subject is MR, then not never, then third form of the main verb. After that, preposition, finally an object to be used. Example is John does not play a match. This is an active voice. Passive voice is a match is not played by John. Dear students, let us have the rule 3, interrogative. In interrogative sentence, first rule part A begins with helping verb is MR, then subject which is made from an object plus third form of the main verb plus preposition plus object which is made from subject. Finally, question mark. Example number 1 is given, do you help the poor? This is an active voice. Passive voice is, are the poor helped by you? Second part of the interrogative sentence, part B, in which we are going to have a negative sentence. All the rules remain as it is except adverb not never, they are placed after subject which is made from object. So is MR plus subject plus not never, then third form of the main verb plus preposition plus object, finally object, then question mark. For example, do they not give you money? This is an active voice and its passive voice is money not given to you by them? Then part C begins with question word. Question word, then is MR according to the number of subject. These are the helping verbs. After that, past participle, then preposition, finally object, and then question mark. Example is, why does she cook food? This is an active voice and passive voice is, why is food cooked by her? Here why, this is the question word. And last rule is begins with question word and it is having a negative sense. So question word is then is MR, then subject plus adverb not never, then third form of the main verb which is also known as past participle, then preposition, after that an object which is made from subject, finally question mark. For example, how does he not submit his notebook? This is an active voice Its passive voice is, how is his notebook not submitted by him? This is passive voice. Some other examples are, who helps you timely? This is an active voice. By whom are you helped timely? This is passive voice. And another negative sentence beginning with the question word who does not commit fault. Its passive voice is, by whom is fault not committed. Dear students, thank you very much.